Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Frame Photo Editor and immediately importing the photo you want to frame. Choose a project canvas that matches your final output and set the resolution to avoid later scaling. Once done, pick a basic frame preset to anchor your layout and perform a quick crop. Use 1/2 scale if composition needs tightening. Make sure to name the file version so you can revert and create a new layer for the frame so edits stay non-destructive. Now customize the frame so it complements the image. Adjust width, inner padding, and corner radius to control visual weight, change color or texture to match the photo's tones, and add a subtle shadow for depth. Once you modify blending mode and opacity, use masks to hide or reveal frame edges precisely. At this stage, align with guides and snap to grid for consistent margins. Group related layers and save an incremental version so you can compare alternatives without losing previous work. To finish, choose the correct export settings based on use. PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPEG for online, TIFF for high-quality print. Pick the color profile and output resolution accordingly. Export multiple sizes for different platforms and save a template for reuse. Once exported, verify edges and compression artifacts. If something looks off, relink any missing assets or flatten troublesome smart objects before re-exporting. If you encounter missing fonts or broken links, reinstall or relink them and export again to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.